Hello everyone. Today, I'll be sharing a quick overview of the pros and cons of the Ecovacs Deebot X5 Omni, one of the newest robot vacuum and mop combos that's been making waves in smart home cleaning. Let's start with the positives. First, the Deebot X5 Omni offers powerful cleaning performance. With its strong suction and dual mop system, it handles dust, dirt, and spills across various surfaces, from hardwood to thick carpets, really efficiently. Second, it has a fully automated base station. This means it not only charges itself but also empties the dustbin, washes and dries the mop pads, and even refills its water tank. It's practically hands-free for weeks at a time. Third, the navigation system is incredibly advanced. Thanks to True Mapping 2.0 technology, it maps your home quickly and accurately, allowing for efficient cleaning routes and easy customization through the app. Fourth, it supports voice control and integrates well with smart home systems like Alexa and Google Assistant, making it super convenient for busy households. And finally, the build quality feels premium. It's sleek, stylish, and designed to fit seamlessly into modern homes. Now, onto the cons. First, the Deebot X5 Omni comes with a high price tag. It's definitely an investment, which might not suit everyone's budget. Second, while the mopping feature is good for light stains and dust, it may struggle with tougher, sticky messes, meaning you might still need to manually mop from time to time. Third, the base station is quite large and bulky. If you're tight on space, finding a good spot for it could be a challenge. Fourth, despite being user-friendly, the app can occasionally be glitchy or slow to sync, especially after software updates. And lastly, the robot is fairly tall, so it might not fit under very low furniture, missing dirt in those hard-to-reach spots. In summary, the Ecovacs Deebot X5 Omni is a powerhouse for anyone looking for a mostly hands-off cleaning solution, but it does come with a few compromises, mainly in price and size. Depending on your priorities, it could be a game-changing addition to your home. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to like and subscribe.